Types of window shades for energy efficiency. When it comes to energy-efficient window shades, you have a variety of options to choose from, each with its own unique benefits and features. These include 1. Roller shades. 2. Cellular shades. 3. Roman shades. 4. Pleated shades. 5. Bamboo woven shades. 6. Blackout shades. Vision window shades. An overview. One particularly versatile and energy-efficient option is vision window shades. These shades offer a balance between light control, privacy, and energy savings, making them a popular choice for homeowners in Ontario, Canada. Benefits of vision window shades for energy efficiency. Vision window shades are designed to allow a controlled amount of natural light to enter your home while still providing insulation and privacy. This feature can help you 1. Reduce your reliance on artificial lighting, which can be a significant energy drain. 2. Regulate the temperature in your living spaces by blocking or allowing heat transfer through the windows. 3. Maintain a comfortable and inviting atmosphere in your home throughout the year. Top vision window shade options for Ontario, Canada homes. When it comes to choosing the best vision window shades for your Ontario, Canada home, you have several top-performing options to consider. Roller shades. Roller shades offer a sleek and modern look while still providing effective light control and insulation. Dual shades. These shades combine 2 layers of fabric, allowing you to adjust the level of light and privacy as needed. Motorized shades. For added convenience and precision, consider investing in motorized vision window shades that can be controlled with the touch of a button or through a smart home system. Blackout shades. For rooms that require complete darkness, such as bedrooms or home theaters, blackout vision shades can effectively block out all external light. Factors to consider when choosing vision window shades. When selecting the best vision window shades for your Ontario, Canada home, be sure to consider the following factors. 1. Room size and window dimensions. 2. Desired level of light control and privacy. 3. Energy efficiency ratings and insulation properties. 4. Ease of installation and maintenance. 5. Aesthetic appeal and compatibility with your home's decor. Cost-effective strategies for maximizing energy efficiency with vision window shades. To get the most out of your vision window shades and maximize energy efficiency, consider the following strategies. Invest in high-quality shades. While the initial cost may be higher, investing in well-made, energy-efficient vision window shades can pay off in the long run through reduced energy bills and increased home comfort. Pair shades with other energy-saving measures. Combine your vision window shades with other energy-efficient upgrades, such as weather stripping, insulation, and energy-efficient windows, for a comprehensive approach to improving your home's overall energy performance. Utilize smart home technology. Integrate your vision window shades with a smart home system, allowing you to schedule, automate, and remotely control the shades for optimal energy savings. Take advantage of rebates and incentives. Research and take advantage of any available government or utility company rebates or incentives for energy-efficient home improvements, including the installation of vision window shades. To learn more about the top vision window shade options for your Ontario, Canada home and how they can help you maximize energy efficiency, schedule a free consultation with our experienced team today. We'll provide personalized recommendations and guide you through the process of selecting and installing the perfect shades for your needs. Contact Diamond Custom Shutters at 416-571-3315 or visit us online at diamondcustomshutters.ca. Please like, share and subscribe.